How to lock, hide and unhide app on iPhone or iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you lock, hide and unhide app on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First, as you have to open home screen on your iPhone. From there, you'll have to just choose or select the application whom you want to lock or hide. Simply for that, tap and hold that application. After you do this, to lock your app, you'll have to tap on require face ID. From here, tap on the option require face ID. After you confirm with your face ID, that application will be locked. If you want to hide that, simply tap and hold that application again. From here, tap on the option require face ID. And from here, as you can directly find the options like hide and require face ID. Okay, simply from here, at the bottom, tap on hide app. Okay, as you can see, this is the method like you can hide app. And from here, to access or unhide that app, you'll have to come on your app library. From the section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option hidden at the bottom right. From the section, after you verify with your face ID, you'll be able to find that hidden application on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.